In this video, I will show how to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 11 laptop. So, very simple way to turn on or turn off Bluetooth on your Windows laptop. In this corner, in the right side, click here. So, this dialog box will open. Here is the option Bluetooth. Click here and select this setting to on position. If it's off, so select to on. Connect to nearby Bluetooth devices by turning on your Bluetooth using the toggle above. So toggle to on position. Another way, if it's not working, so you need to open settings and Bluetooth and devices. Here the option Bluetooth, turn on it, and still you're facing the problems. So click on system and click on troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters and click on run on Bluetooth. Now follow the instruction they will show you. So if it has the common error, so this troubleshooter will resolve errors. Just you need to follow step by step. So this is the suggestion, guys. You can try to turn on Bluetooth in your Windows device. Thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you. It will ask this permission, so click on yes. Then continue. If update is available, so it will update your system. So comment this method work for you.